party people.
My body, your body, everybody join the party. 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 Shake that thing, shake that body, shake that thing, shake that body, shake that thing, shake that body, shake that thing, shake that body for me. Your body, everybody join the party. My body, your body, everybody join the party. My body, your body, everybody join the party. My body, your body, everybody join the party.
I be jerking, I be twerking, I be smurfing to the sound. I just wanna hear you scream. We gon' tear this club down. Got my bucket filled up, Grey Goose in my club, getting loose, party rocking outside. I want this girl on me, I want this girl on me. Straight to the after party, maybe 1, 2, 3. You can find me in the club, sitting on the fucking sun. Girl, the bartender, yeah, to fill my cup.
My body, your body, everybody join the party. 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 Shake that thing, shake that body, shake that thing, shake that body, shake that thing, shake that body, shake that thing, shake that
sexy time. Watch out. Come again, y'all. We flying high, y'all. Put your hands in the sky, y'all. Turn on the lights, y'all. It's a party tonight, y'all. Hanging over all these bottles, these bottles, these bottles. I'm feeling it, feeling it, crazy, ignore that party. Everybody's jumping and they know it cool, cool, cool. DJ's banging, do it back. How you like this now? How you like that? I got style and the party's tight. Now let's take it
I feel so good tonight. Let's make this party right. We have a drink or two. Whoa. Baby, I want you, I want you, I want you.
sexy time.
Give us more. Let me take you to the top. Everybody move, boom, boom. Let the party kick in and the speakers blow. Yeah, we're about to begin. Whoa, we break it down on the floor. The club's like the jungle. We going. Do you want more? All the girls get ready. This ain't nothing but a summer jam. Everybody go party and dance. Hot chicks, cool drinks, make the song so beautiful. Listening to the sound and closing my eyes.